Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. In this, we are basically discussing about the lava creation. Lava creation, this creation, that creation, basically, we are discussing it. So, one of the person told that yes, basically, we are discussing the lava creation. So, one of the person told that this is equal to what? This is equal to count of lava and sand, gender calculation. What is this actually? Then one of the person told that basically disease are equal to basically lava, basically sand, basically. That if I say basically, then it would be 100% correct. And first basically the land, basically sand basically gets creates, and then basically the city gets creates. If the base basically is something else and the city creates something else, then basically it will differ basically. So like this, basically lava and sand basically gets creates. Like this, basically the things basically gets created. So one of the person told that basically that medicine equal to what, basically. One of the person told that where is the corona medicine, basically. Then he told that that is in that cities, no, basically there are few around 17 cities basically are created. There basically the corona medicine is basically you can find you can basically find the corona energy basically, which is basically one of the person told that as in that basically there are 100 disease in this world basically. So 100 100 disease city basically is there basically in this world. So 100 medicine cities are also basically there basically. 100 medicine cities are also basically there. So this was the basically the answer basically, and this basically comes into the this calculation basically. But how this is getting calculated, that basically the nuclear group only basically can understand and can know basically how basically this gets calculated, because this is connected with the gender, that is 100% sure basically. But which gender, basically disease are connected with which gender, medicines are connected with which gender basically, medicines are connected with which gender basically, with gender, which gender basically is connecting with the disease basically, with the disease basically, they only generate disease basically. And which gender, when gender basically generates only medicine basically. So that's basically the question basically, that which gender basically generates medicine and which gender basically generates the disease. So that's very dangerous thing basically. That's very dangerous. One of the person told that basically in this world basically how many cancers basically are there. Then the one of the person told that uh, brain cancer, mouth cancer, eye cancer, stomach cancer, hand cancer, leg cancer, stool cancer, then the sperm cancer, then basically the hand cancer, leg cancer. So like this basically he basically started describing basically. So if the cancer basically city basically or each and every areas are there basically, right, which generates the cancer only basically. If you eat anything basically, then it generates to cancer only basically. And against that cancer data basically the medicine data basically are created, so that basically generates medicine. So one of the person told that basically daily basically in world basically 1,000 new disease basically gets generates. So that's the cancer only na basically. That's basically the cancer data only basically. Daily 1,000 city disease basically generates in the world basically. Then you can just imagine basically what is the condition of world basically. Because if you basically have the tomato from one land basically 100 times, it generates to cancer basically 101 time basically, 102 time basically, 103rd time basically, 104th time. Like this basically generates to cancer from the tomato. Same way potato basically. Same way each and every stuff basically. So you can just imagine basically. So you can just imagine basically the process basically. So this all process basically are covered by the Microsoft group basically. That is, they are telling that basically they have created 3150 age basically for from single body basically. So this age basically I have just taken as an example basically. In real basically number might be totally different basically. In really basically the number might be totally different basically. So here basically we are discussing what basically. So here basically we are discussing one of the person told that what actually you are discussing here basically. So you told the disease equal to lava, sand, gender, calculation, medicine equal to like this, disease equal to cancers, medicine is equal to medicine of cancer basically. So that's very simple thing basically. That's very simple thing basically. So like this basically the group basically described. And in this basically 3150 is the age basically which Microsoft basically say that we can give basically. In this basically lots of diseases are 100% going to generate because they have created the birth. So they basically know, right? They have created the birth. So they basically know that basically in first birth basically this many diseases are going to generate because they have created it basically. The birth data they have created basically. The Microsoft Human Souls is created by Microsoft Group basically. So they know basically that this disease 100% is going to generate from that body basically. According to that basically the medicines they have 100% prepared basically. So like this basically 3150 birth they are going to prepare, they basically has prepared, and in this basically this disease are 100% going to generate basically, and medicine is also basically prepared 100% basically. So like this you can just imagine basically the things basically. So gender calculation is always there basically in the lava sand basically. In the lava sand basically the gender calculation is always there basically. So which gender calculation, which land is created by which areas basically, that basically need to check basically. So that we will see one thing basically, just a minute. India country, right? So in map we will go. See basically this is the map. So this is the map basically. So like this each and every land basically is created by the gender calculation basically. That is the gender data, that is the gender energy basically. So this is the data basically, and on the base of this is everything is created basically. So you can just imagine basically. So you can just imagine basically. So it's not easy to create the city basically. It's not so easy. So if this group basically Microsoft say that basically we have created this, so it's a big achievement basically. It's a huge achievement basically you can say. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this. What is the Microsoft creation? What is the lava creation? How basically the gender creation basically is connected with the lava creation, sand creation, and how each and everything basically are connected. In next video basically we are going to see this.